As you may know, we recently released the Maker's Mop, and that has sparked a lot of conversation and questions from you about DIY floor cleaners. So in this video, I've got 3 recipes for you. The first one is a DIY hardwood floor cleaner. The next one is a DIY laminate or luxury vinyl floor cleaner. And the third one is a general purpose floor cleaner, great for linoleum, tile, and just about anything else. So check them out. Start by adding 1.5 cups of warm water to a spray bottle. Add 1/4 cup of white vinegar, 1/8 of a cup of rubbing alcohol, 1/8 of a teaspoon of dish soap. That's right, just a few drops, that's all you need. And 5 to 10 drops of your favorite essential oil. This is optional, but I think it goes a long way. If you have laminate floors, you're going to use 1/2 cup of water, and if you have vinyl floors, you're going to use 2 cups of water. Next, you're going to add 1/2 cup of white vinegar, 1/2 cup of rubbing alcohol, and 5 to 10 drops of your favorite essential oil. Add 2 cups of water to your spray bottle, followed by 1/4 cup of vinegar, 1/2 teaspoon of dish soap, and 5 to 10 drops of your favorite essential oil. When you're mopping a floor, you always want to work section by section. So regardless of the type of floor you have, you're going to use the same technique. Spray the floor in a small area, work your way from left to right using your mop, applying what I call the W pattern, which is a straight up stroke and a down stroke on an angle. Make sure that you're not mopping yourself into the corner. You always want to mop yourself out of the room. That's a great thing to remember. And you'll be in great shape. Your room will be clean in no time. So there you go, 3 DIY floor cleaners that don't cost a lot but work really well. If you want to learn more about the Maker's Mop, you can visit makersclean.com. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.